In this video, you'll learn how to earn money in Phantom Wallet by staking Solana. By following these steps, you will be able to utilize your Solana holdings to generate additional income through staking. Begin by opening the Phantom Wallet application on your device. So ensure that you are logged in to your wallet. If prompted, enter your password to access your account. This will bring you to the main interface of the wallet where you can view your assets. Next, you need to buy or receive Solana in your wallet. If you already have Solana, confirm that it is displayed in your wallet. If you need to acquire Solana, you can do so by purchasing it from a supported exchange or by receiving it from another wallet. Check that the transaction is complete and that your balance reflects the new amount. After that, locate the token list within your Phantom Wallet interface. Here, you will see various tokens you hold. Click on Solana, represented as a SOAL, to view more details about your holdings. This action will take you to a dedicated screen for Solana, showing your current balance and other relevant information. Once this appears, look for the option to either start earning SOL or stake. Clicking this option will initiate the staking process, allowing your Solana to work for you. This is where you can begin to earn rewards on your staked amounts. You will then be prompted to choose a validator. Validators are essential as they secure the network and validate transactions. Review the list of available validators and select one that meets your criteria. Consider factors such as their performance history and commission rates before making your choice. Next, enter the amount of SOL you wish to stake. Make sure to consider your overall wallet balance and any potential fees associated with staking. This amount will determine how much you can earn from your staking rewards. After entering the desired amount, proceed by clicking the stake button. Finally, confirm the transaction on the Solana network. You may see a confirmation screen that summarizes the details of your staking transaction. Review this information carefully before finalizing. Once confirmed, your SOL will be staked and you will start earning rewards based on the amount staked and the performance of the validator. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.